Substitute is a text manipulation function that replaces inside a string a substring with another substring. You provide three arguments: the string, the main string, then the string you want to search for, and the replacement string as three different arguments to the same function. All the occurrences are replaced at the same time. Let's see a couple of examples of it. In this first example, I'm iterating over the product names, and I'm computing a new name where I substitute in the product name the string MP3 player with a new string which is Zoom-like player. And you see the result here. In the first row, the string MP3 player in the product name has been replaced with Zoom-like player. Remember that substitute replaces all the occurrences of the string. Therefore, in this example, I'm substituting again in the product name the number 2 with a question mark. And the result is that, for example, here in the first row, Contoso 512, the 2 becomes a question mark. And the same happens with, well, nothing here, but in the second row we have a 2 here and we have another 2 here. That becomes a question mark here and another question mark here. So all the occurrences of the substring are replaced in a single step.